If you need a device for your smart home, chances are Google has one. The company, under the Google Nest banner, now makes everything from cameras to speakers, digital assistants, and of course, doorbells. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I recently had a chance to review several new Google devices, including the Google Nest Learning Thermostat and Google's new Pixel Buds 2, and you can find both of those right here on the channel. Now I've got the Google Nest Hello video doorbell. In this review, I will take a look at the installation process, how to use it, and how it integrates into your smart home overall, so you can see whether it's a worthy investment for your home. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. This doorbell with a built-in camera and microphone is very small and slim and probably just about the most subtle video doorbell I've ever reviewed. It lets you see and speak with anyone who may be near your entry using either your smartphone or a Google Home device with a screen. Important to note, if you don't pay extra for the Nest Aware monitoring feature, where plans run from about $8 to $16 Canadian per month, you're only going to have limited features with your doorbell. For example, you'll only be able to see a still photo of events, not the actual video. You can, however, take a live look outside your door at any time. During my review, I didn't have access to the additional Nest Aware features, so I'm not going to detail too much about them in this review. I do hope to get access for a future video update. How does the Google Nest Hello video doorbell work? Unlike some other video doorbells, Hello does not include a chime or a speaker. Instead, Hello is designed to work with your existing chime or your physical doorbell sound device. You're going to be replacing your old doorbell, the physical button, when you install your Hello, but you will leave your existing chime where it is, and it's probably up on the wall in a hallway or a front hall closet. In case you're wondering, you won't be able to use Hello if you don't have an existing hardwired doorbell or a connection for one. That is because Nest Hello gets its power from your household wiring, so it can stay on all the time and stream live video to your phone whenever you want. You don't need to wait for somebody to ring the doorbell in that case. You can check in on things at any time, even if you're away from home, and you don't need to worry about your camera chewing through battery life whenever you want to take a look. Getting it set up was surprisingly easy. You'll attach a special dongle to your old chime, and though there are a few steps to take here, it's easy enough with simple instructions from Google Nest. Next, you'll remove your old doorbell and simply connect those wires to the new Hello. Finish the setup in the app and you're ready to go. I will also add, however, that the connectors you'll have to use have giant leads on them, and that makes it nearly impossible to stuff the wires back into the wall. I had to enlarge the hole substantially to make it fit. Like many of Nest's other cameras, Nest Hello also has night vision, so you can see what's up in the dark. Nest Hello's night vision uses HDR imaging, and that's so a visitor's face can still be clearly seen even if they're backlit. In the app, you have the option for night vision to turn on automatically when it gets dark. However, if you have a porch light or other bright light that provides plenty of light for the camera, your camera won't need to turn on the night vision in order to see those visitors clearly.
Nest Hello can see a lot with its 160-degree wide-angle view, and its image is optimized for close range, so you can see visitors head to toe, as well as any packages on the ground, assuming you've placed this properly.
A lot of you are probably wondering right now, should I pay for Nest Aware? The biggest downside for me of this particular video doorbell is that you can't view much of anything after it happens unless you pay those subscription fees. While the Hello timeline will show you a person in a small thumbnail, the Nest app was extremely intermittent when it came to viewing the thumbnail any larger. Sometimes it would load, most of the times it just wouldn't. I also couldn't even really tell who was in the thumbnail still from the tiny square. You can't see any video at all, and without the subscription, you can also not see anything beyond the current day. No photos and no video. Overall, for me, I found the free service limited, lacking, and a big disappointment. If you're thinking of getting the Hello video doorbell and not paying the monthly fees, in my opinion, don't bother. Overall, I am not a huge fan of the Google Nest Hello video doorbell. Here's why. In some cases, the free version of video doorbells will do you just fine in most home uses. I'm talking here about Ring and Toucan Smart Home, for example. But overall, I'm going to say that unless you're going to pay the monthly monitoring for this one, the Nest Hello video doorbell is not worth getting. The pros are that it's compact, small, discreet, it's got really good live video quality. Plus, it's actually kind of nice to have it hardwired so there's no batteries to have to worry about. And I do love that you can link it up to your Google Home Hub so you can view the door at a glance automatically. Even so, in my opinion, the cons outweigh the pros. You must have doorbell wiring for this to work, and there is no battery option. That might limit use for some of you out there. The biggest con is that there is almost no reviewing ability unless you pay. The free thumbnails that you get aren't helpful at all, and you can't even view events that happened on the same day. Well, the paid version does get you a bunch more bells and whistles and a lot more reviewing of video ability. You do need to factor that cost into your decision. Let's also get to cost. The Nest Hello video doorbell here sells for about $300. Monitoring is either $8 or $16 a month Canadian. Now, Ring's Generation 3 video doorbell, for example, sells for $250 Canadian and can be used wired or with battery. And while it doesn't give you short-term access to video either, Ring's basic monthly plan is $3 US per month compared to Google's $8 Canadian. Toucan Smart Home costs a wallet-friendly $119 Canadian for the video doorbell and also only gives you access to current day events. Its monthly monitoring service costs $4 US per month. Now, with all of these things taken into account, I think this unfortunately makes Nest Hello my least favorite choice of all the video doorbells. If you want to read more about it, you can head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've posted a full blog. You can ask me any questions you have about this video doorbell, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, because as I said earlier, it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can catch me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.